Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show how you can apply a special font to all your videos in your brand, in your personal brand. So whenever people come across your video, when they see the font, they will understand that, okay, this is Tom's video, or this is Mark's video, or this is video from this specific brand. So I'm going to show that in a minute. So let's say, for example, this is the video that we have created, and these are all the captions or the subtitles we have in the timeline. So what you can do is, let's say for example, for this particular information, hi, I am Naresh. If you click on text and click on basic, if you click on font here, you see lot of special fonts. You see lot of special fonts here. Maybe you want this font for your particular brand. Maybe you like this font for your particular brand. All you need to do is click on it. Okay, if you click on it, this one will be activated. Okay, and let's do the same thing for the next one as well. See this one. Do the same thing. Do the same thing for all the captions. If you do that, what happens is this particular font will be reflected for all your videos. For all your videos. Okay, let me maximize it. Let me play and see how it looks like. Naresh, have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Random clips, no real story. In this course, you will learn simple steps to create a video. So this way, when people watch your videos regularly, it is good to have a consistent font. If you keep changing fonts each and every day, then viewers may not be so attracted to your brand. If you keep this particular font consistently for all your videos, when they come across your channel or platform, they will understand that this is your brand. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.